Hello, today I'll be showing you how to fix a leak like this in your pool using TitanPatch Pro sealant tape from ToolTubers. All you need is a towel to dry it out and some sealant tape. So what you do is that you go ahead and cut a big piece and a small piece, just big enough to cover the hole. And then you go ahead and remove the back film, like that. And like that. Now what you want to do is that you go ahead and take this small piece and place on the inside of the pool. Make sure that you cover the place that is leaking, just like this, and you push it. Keep pushing so you make sure it stops leaking. What you do next is that you go ahead and take your towel and dry it completely off. Make sure it's 100% dry. And keep your hand on the inside to make sure that the tape stays in place. Now you take the big piece and place it on top of the leak. And you push it through. Keep pushing, just like this. And there you have it. Now you have fixed the leak. Within a few hours, the sealant tape on the inside might fall off. It's okay, because the adhesive have fully connected to the outside of the pool, and it will keep the leak secure. This was how you fix a leak in your pool with TitanPatch Pro sealant tape from ToolTubers.